This video is sponsored by Hero Motocorp and RT Krishna Hero. What's up, lovely people? This is NI John. Welcome back to my channel. I know after a very long time there is a video coming on my channel. During the lockdown I was busy with a lot of other things, so I was really not very active on YouTube. But from now you will see me more active, and very frequently I will be updating videos on YouTube. This video is all about Bangalore Bikers March 2021 welcome ride, and this time we are collaborating with Hero Motocorp. So RT Krishna Hero is Bangalore's Electronic City's showroom. They are the Hero Motocorp dealer in Electronic City. So I have personally experienced very good thing from this showroom. I have taken my Xpulse delivery from here, and the servicing till now, the 4th service I have done on Xpulse, all from here, and I was really very happy. So this collaboration is bringing a lot of positive vibe to all the bikers in Bangalore Bikers. So in this video you will experience our March 2021 welcome ride. So let me just show you guys the setup in RT Krishna Auto. Today is 27th March, and our ride is basically tomorrow. But we just have come to the showroom for the inspection. They are giving us 2 bikes. I'll just show you those bikes. Keep watching. So these are the place where we will have all our bike parked tomorrow morning. So roughly about 50 to 60 bikes will be coming tomorrow here. So they cleaned up this place. So we gather here and then we enter to the showroom. This is RT Krishna Auto, and let me just show you. So our briefing will go on there with the chairs arrangement have been done for our members. And yes, some of our Bangalore Bikers people are already here. It's Megha, you have seen her in some of my other video. There's Monica, Romin, and our new friend. And so this is where the briefing will go on. So let me just show you guys the bike. All right, so Megha will be riding this bike, that is Xtreme 160R, and I will be riding Xtreme 200S. So these 2 bikes RT Krishna Auto giving to us for testing. The bike looks really nice, and yeah, tomorrow morning we will have a small briefing here, and from here we will start the ride. Thank you RT Krishna for providing us all these facilities. This is really a great place. Huge showroom, service area is really big. I personally have a lot of good experience here. So that's all, guys. So from here we're gonna start the ride. So this is how the setup looks, and I will see you tomorrow morning at the meeting point. So I'll show you the scenery of the meeting point. Keep watching. So Deepak sir is the owner of this showroom, so you will have few words for you.
Morning all.
Good morning.
On behalf of RT Krishna Hero, we wish you a warm welcome here. We hope this will continue for future also. At least going in a year, we assure Mr. John, okay, we will continue this ride also from our side. And special thanks to Mr. John for organizing and coordinating this event. Okay. See you all. Okay. Right. Have a safe ride. Enjoy your ride.
And when you are owning bike or planning to own bike, you definitely can get in touch with him. He will definitely do a special treat for Bangalore Bikers members, at least the discount part. Alright? Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hi Veti Riders. Hi சொல்லுங்க எங்க குட்டி சேனலுக்கு.
8th March 2021, Sunday. This is Bangalore Bikers welcome ride. This year, this is the first welcome ride we are organizing. You know that due to COVID, we are not doing much of activities from Bangalore Bikers, but we are back on the road. So right now, I am at Bikanapalli Falls. Bikanapalli Falls, the location details is there in the video descriptions. It's a little tricky to find this exact spot. If you blindly search Bikanapalli Falls, it takes you the other side of the falls and you really don't find the way to come where I am right now. So anyways, you can find all the details on this video description. If you have any query to know about this place, comment. I will help you about the location. Anyways guys, so Bangalore Bikers is Bangalore based motorcycle travelers community. We promote safe motorcycling. So every month we organize welcome ride to welcome our new members. Through welcome ride, we train our new members like how we ride in a group, what else safety precautions we must follow when we are riding on the highway, single lane, off-road. So with that continuous activities, this is our March month welcome ride of 2021, and this ride is very special because this is completely sponsored by Hero MotoCorp and RT Krishna Hero. So people who are looking for Hero motorcycle, definitely you can contact them. I personally have got my X-Pulse from them and I was very happy from the bike delivery till today. Like 4th service I have completed from RT Krishna, and their people are really great. They pay focus to customers requirement, and accordingly they solve the issues. Anyways guys, so let me just show you the bike lineup and the location. So you can see behind me from here till that corner, everybody has parked their bike. So we have mixed CC, different brand, different motorcycles. So let me just show you guys our lineup. This video might get little lengthy, but enjoy the video, keep watching. This is Hitesh's new 390 ADV. Just yesterday he took delivery. Himalayan. By the way, the waterfall doesn't have any water. So 2 years back when we got our Bangalore Bikers folks here, a lot of water was there, but now looks like it's dry. It's a little off-road to reach here, but glad to see all the boys have done fantastic job. They got their bike here. This small off-road, we must try it out. All the good locations are hidden and there will be a little off-road. So you should not be scared, you must try it out. So as I told, this trip is sponsored by RT Krishna Hero. So they have given us 2 bikes. This is Xtreme 160R. Megha is riding, our Bangalore Bikers team member, female rider Megha. She is riding 160R, Xtreme 160R, and I am riding today Xtreme 200S. I'll make a different video about my review about this bike, but so far I was riding this bike with my wife and she felt really comfortable because seat is really wide and decent powerful bike. Now if you are okay with touring with 100-110 speed, this bike is really good, and cornering was also fun. So this is all our members' bike. Couple of Harley, couple of super bikes are there. Let me just take you the other side of this area. This guy has lots of bike. Today what bike you got?
I got Himalayan today.
How many bikes you have?
4, 5.
4, 5. Oh my god, okay, enjoy. Alright, so all our boys are chilling at this side. So it's like happy to see the rider got this bike here. It was a little off-road, but yeah, it's easy to do. So this is the mighty Gixxer 1000. This is Nils Versus 650. He just got it delivered last week from Dominar. He upgraded to this, and for this ride he has come down from Hyderabad. After this ride he is heading back to Hyderabad. So it's very nice of him after a long time since Bangalore Bikers organizing the ride. So he has come down. So yeah, Dominar. Some of the friends are chilling there, and all our boys are here.
Hi,
What's your name, bro?
Rajwal.
What do you ride?
MT15.
MT15. So on MT15 we had a pillion. So far is good.
Yeah, everything good.
Yeah, nice. So we have roughly about 55 members or 50 plus bikes. This is an interesting part of this ride. His name is Shiva, right?
My name is Shiva.
Your name is Shiva. Your name is Shiva. And what is?
Charlie.
Huh?
Charlie.
Charlie. So he has got Charlie with us. I'll show you how he got him on the bike. What you are riding?
Honda Highness.
So Honda Highness, on that he has got Charlie. Such a cool thing, and Charlie has a nice sunglass as well. I'll show you after a while. Yeah. So all our other boys are here. Everybody is chilling out now. We'll have official introduction in some time. Praful is playing with drone, and the birds are like, see, got attacked by crows. Okay, some of the riders are here. Hi, what's up? How are you feeling?
Doing good?
Yeah, so about this ride so far, it's going good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the first group ride?
Yes.
Okay, it's a large group ride.
You guys. Yes.
Yeah, you have been with our friends, yeah. Enjoying so far?
Yeah. Thank you for this.
What's up, guys? After a long time you are coming. Now I remember your face very well. Yeah, so good man. Good to see. Where is your bike?
This one.
Correct. This is the one. And this is good since pillion is there.
Yeah.
Should be a comfortable bike. Nice. Highway also fun, and ground clearance was okay, right? No problem.
okay, it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I'll just come back. Your ground clearance is 130. Yeah, you managed it, right? Yeah. Z800 had 150, so I was able to manage. True. You would have parked it there only.
Should have.
Yeah, it's okay. What's up, Monu? Monu did a great job.
As always, my duty.
Yeah, so we have Abhishek, he was helping me to tail the group. We have UK, Uttam Kumar.
Yo.
Nice one, man. Osmo action. Yeah. Nice. So he brought his Vulcan 650 here. Nice. 390 ADV. Last minute entry, our Vijay. Tiger, the mighty Tiger. Few guys are here. What's up, guys? Having fun? So this is the Highness where I showed you, right, that dog. What is Charlie, his name? So Charlie was sitting on the tank. Some more bikes are inside. Oh my god, how far these people went.
Some more.
Oh my god, so many bikes are here. So we have some of our other cool riders standing here, chilling out here. Hello sir, hello, welcome to Bangalore Bikers. How are you feeling so far?
So far, so good.
You are able to bring it here, so no, absolutely no problem. It's
No, there was a stage where I felt I couldn't do it, but
Okay.
then it's okay.
okay. It's,
But it's okay.
little you should try it out, yeah. Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah.
डर के आगे जीत है
Yes, sir.
so you
Right.
have to make that push otherwise
The thing is, I would never do it alone.
Right. Alone,
For a
yeah.
group of 40, 50 people,
Right.
and you know,